RDA has taken on board the Aviation Industry Development Project because we believe there are great opportunities for the sector and the supply chains across our region. Understandably, with the COVID impacts, aviation, airports have been very hard hit, and we feel their pain at the moment, and there's going to be a tough recovery time. But we do believe that the aviation industry still has great opportunities ahead of it in times to come. So in that regard, in recognising before COVID there was a worldwide shortage of pilots, aviation mechanics and other roles in the sector, we believe that there's an opportunity to better utilise airports, the aerodromes we have in our region and the capacity we already have in a number of different businesses. So for example, we already have pilot training schools for fixed wing and helicopters. We already have aviation maintenance companies. We already have parts components manufacturers in the Townsville area. So we also have, though, very importantly, underutilised airports across much of our region. They are a great asset, mostly owned by councils in our area, and have opportunity to have new businesses set up around them. So in terms of the local governments, if we can actually find ways to generate more interest, more business opportunity around aviation and their airports, it would be a win-win. The local governments would have their asset better utilised with some income stream. Secondly, we'd create more jobs locally in each part of our regional community to be able to focus on the environmental opportunities around their region with aviation. Also, thirdly, we'd be able to create more pathways for employment for our youth and employees in the region. At the moment, it's very hard for someone to embark upon a career in the aviation sector. But if we actually have an active aviation sector here that's growing, we can create those pathways, those job opportunities for students and hopefully nurture more businesses and future employment growth. Hence, RDA is very supportive of the aviation sector and looks to work in this area with industry to find new opportunities. Last but not least, of course, we are also working off the back of the Queensland Aerospace and Aviation Strategy. And it's important as a statewide strategy that we are looking at how we entice, how we encourage and work with the regions to ensure that statewide strategy is successful in every part of the state. So RDA looks forward to also working with all stakeholders to take the aviation sector forward. Thank you.